Welcome to 8 Quanta Library content. In this video, we'll discuss the component where used inquiry report in NetSuite. This report is very useful in manufacturing and assembly setups when you want to know where a component item is being used across multiple assemblies. It displays all assemblies, sub-assemblies, and finished goods that include a specific component in their bill of materials, BOM. To access the report, go to Transactions, Manufacturing, Component Where Used Inquiry. First, enter the subsidiary. For the component, I'll select a test assembly component. Let's open the BOM revision for this assembly. I'll be using this component as an example for testing. After adding the component, you can see that the report shows that it is part of the test assembly. The report also displays the on-hand and available quantity of the assembly item. Let's check another item. Again, you'll see the same test item is listed. Opening the BOM revision for this assembly confirms that the component is included in the revision and is showing correctly in the report. For the on-hand and available quantity, this second item shows 0 quantities. Let's open the item record. Here, we can see that the item actually does have quantity, but it's stored in a location under a different subsidiary. Checking the location setup, we can confirm that the locations belong to a different subsidiary than the one we defined in the report. This explains why the report shows 0 quantities. For additional options, single level only, check this box if you want to limit the display to only one level below the selected component. This is useful when assemblies contain multiple sub-assemblies, but you only want to see the first level. Include inactive BOMs and revisions. Select this option if you'd like the report to also include inactive BOMs and their revisions. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.